Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make another type of Ankara box bag. So we'll be using this Ankara fabric, lining, interfacing, using zip, tape rule and scissors. So guys, this Ankara fabric, the width is 21.5 inches. It's on fold. And the length is 15.5 inches. That is, if I straighten it now, the length will be 31 inches if I straighten it, but on fold like this is 15.5. and I joined it, like I stitch it here. There's a reason for that, why I did the joining. So on fold this way is 15.5, and like this is 21.5. So you arrange your fabric properly and you fold this way. So from this down part, measure 2.5 inches up, 2.5. Then this way measure 5 inch. Two 2.5 inches up. Then come to this upper part too, 2.5 inches also, 2.5 and 5 inches. Inches, 2.5. So you can just glue these lines together. I hope you understand what I am doing. Then from this part now, this part, measure 2 inches, mark it 2 inches, and from this part 2 inches also. Then we form an arc like that. Then from this part 1 inch. So this is the measurements that I have, and I'll cut this off. So you start cutting from this folded part. Cut this way. Trace your arc, stop here, and cut from this 1 inch line. this is what our pattern looks like. So I will use this pattern to cut my lining and my gum stay. So guys, I have used this Ankara pattern to cut the lining. The interfacing I'm using is strong interfacing and the Ankara. So this is what we have. So I will use my hot iron to press my interfacing on my Ankara fabric this way. So I will go and do that now. So guys, I have ironed the interfacing on my Ankara fabric, and this is what it looks like. So now we'll make like a pocket outside. This Ankara fabric is 11 inches length and the width is 7 inches. So you place this way before the bottom of the bag, this way. You fold and you stitch. Then this top side, this upper part, fold 1, 2. Then you stitch here, stitch the middle and stitch the down part. So I'll go to my sewing machine and do that. So guys, this is the pocket. I've stitched it and also stitch here. So now we'll use lining to turn it. Place your lining this way on your Ankara fabric and you are going to stitch from this end, stitch, and you leave small opening that we'll use to turn, then stitch all around the Ankara. So guys, I've stitched around. This is the space I left open. So before you turn, you can notch all these corners. So I am done notching the edges. You can now turn your bag inside out from this space. So guys, after turning your bag in, this is what your bag will look like. Just use hot iron to press it down. So I'll use hot iron to press it down. So guys, I have ironed it. You can see how flat and neat our bag is looking now. Then this part I left open. I folded it a bit. I folded it in a bit. So I will just run a straight stitch down to all this. I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, I've gone ahead to stitch, and now we'll make the handle of the bag, and this is what I want to use as my handle. I've already ironed interfacing on it, and the length of this is the length is 20 inches by 3 inches width. So what I will do, I'll fold half an inch, fold it on the same and run a straight stitch down. I will do the same for this other one. So guys, I've stitched the handle. Then on the back, this part, measure 1 inch in and measure 1 inch on this other side. When you place your handle this way, fold like half an inch, stitch your handle here and stitch this other handle here. You do the same for this side. So guys, I fixed the handle of the bag. Now it's time to fix the zip. So you place your zip this way at the edge, this way. You place your zip this way. You stitch down. You'll be having this part open. Then you bring this part this way and you stitch it. So I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch the zip. So guys, I have stitched the zip and I also top stitch it, as you can see. So now we'll fix the bag. You can cut your excess zip. Then you stitch this way and this other part too. You stitch it this way. So I'll go to my sewing machine and do that. So guys, I've stitched this down. So now it's now to close the bag. This is how the bag was. Just bring your bag this way. You stitch down. Stitch this down. Stitch this down and stitch this side too down. So I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, I'm done stitching the 4 edges, as you can see. So now we'll turn the bag inside out. We'll just open this zip. So guys, this is what another type of Ankara box bag. Look at these pockets, and this is what inside of the bag looks like. Let's cover the zip. So guys, this is finished work of our Ankara box.